Hey, what's happening, sports fans? Roberto Clemente Jr. here saying hello because my boy Joshua at JJ's Sports Cards of Michigan hit me up and stating that they're still pulling that fire for you in the year of 21. So we're happy that baseball's starting. We're excited that we're going to have fans in the stadiums, and most of them, I hope. And we continue to support my boy Joshua at JJ Sports Cards of Michigan because they will continue to pull you that fire, baby.
Hey, 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 it is time. What's going on, JJ's? Welcome, guys. Look at this. It's new release day 2021 Topps Chrome. We got 4 boxes here. We're going to do 2 hobbies, 2 jumbos. Also, guys, it is release day for Panini Immaculate Baseball as well. We got a half case with the option of taking the full case. We got that break posted up as well. Some big teams left in there. The Blue Jays, the Angels are still available. So feel free to jump in on some Immaculate as well, guys. We can break that today. Again, you will get 1 red raffle ticket if you bought a team outright in this break. Hold on to those tickets because beginning of next month we'll be giving away break credits and some sealed wax. So here we go, guys. Thank you for the fill. Good luck, everybody. And hey, one more thing. Posted up in the group, top announcement, we have a poll posted up asking if you guys want to break more of this. I was gonna get another case of the jumbo, but I didn't want to drop the loot if it wasn't gonna be able to, if we couldn't fill it. This one filled actually a little bit slower than I thought it was going to, so that's why I put the poll up. My plan was just to go ahead and buy another case of it, but I just want to make sure we can get rid of some more of this, guys. So there is a poll up. We got, I don't know, 17 people that are interested. I'd like to get up around like 25 people that'd be in to break some more of this. It won't necessarily be the full case. I just want to know that we have enough interest for me to purchase a case and I can break it down into, 2 boxes at a time, or do another 1 box, or, some random team. I can switch it up. It doesn't have to be the full case all at one lump sum. I just want to know that there's interest before I drop the money to get it. So you guys, if you can fill out that poll for me, that would be greatly appreciated. When I put them polls up, guys, I don't do it just to do it. I do it a lot of times to gauge if, I should be buying a certain product. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? It's a different world right now. But here we go. New release. If you're in the single box break group, I posted a box of hobby up. That is filling up real quick over there. Immaculate needs some loving. I can't wait to break into that. That stuff is going to be fun, fun, fun. Immaculate. So, that Immaculate is a half case with the option at taking your team for the full case. And again, there's a poll up. If you guys want to break more of this, please, please, please just simply click yes or no on the poll. Simple as that. You don't got to comment anything. If we get enough yeses here, I'll get it ordered this afternoon. I don't know. It's probably too late for anybody to ship it to me anymore, so it probably won't even get here till middle to late next week, I would assume, if I ordered it today, because it might not even ship out till Monday now. I was hoping that poll would have filled up quick, and I would have had a good idea, but it's been trickling in, so I haven't pulled the trigger yet on grabbing another case of this. So you guys filling out that poll is going to let me know if I'm going to buy another case after this break, and hopefully it can get shipped soon. So here we go, guys. All rookies will be sleeved. You will get a red raffle ticket if you bought a team outright. And let's get this to focus. We're going to have one of these days. I'm going to start off with not wanting to focus on the first freaking card. Biggio. There's Willie Adams. Here's a nice Apostle. Where's my sleeve? Over here. The Rangers. Look at that. That's a nice looking card right there. Texas Rangers. Very nice. Was that you, Neary? It is you, Neary. Nice. Nice, 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 man. Hoskins. Realmuto. There's Ohtani. Lewis Robert. And what do we have? Our first auto up. Mark Mathias going to the Brew Crew. That is numbered out of 199. Brewers with the first auto. Eli Savage. There you go, Eli. Mathias. The Brewers. First up. Got some color right off the bat. We'll take that. Want to see a magenta coming. There's an Evan White rookie. We'll get that sleeved up. And going to the Blue Jays. Quinn. That's going to be out of $3.99. $3.99 Toronto Blue Jays. There you go, Paul. And let me see here. I need to get these sleeves out of the pack because there we go. And a nice Jake Cronenworth, Padres. San Diego. Guys, don't feel free or don't be afraid to type. We can conversate here, you know. You know. Victor, Aaron Judge. There's a Pete Alonso refractor. Yes, Peterson. There's a nice Dominican Republic Vlad for the Blue Jays. That's pretty sweet. Rizzo, Bryant, Tanaka, the Nelson Cruz for the Twins. There you go, Dom. Nelson Cruz. A.J. Woodruff. Devers. Apostle. Dansby. There's Devers. Oh, and there's our next auto. Going to the Houston Astros. Bialik. Houston Astros goes to Abraham. Here you go, Abraham. Can I pull you a Soto auto? Well, you know, I can definitely try. Can't guarantee it, but you know how we roll. I'll try my hardest for you. I will try my hardest. There's a nice Luis Garcia for the Nationals. I need to turn my speaker off back there. Hold on a second. Comment after comment after comment coming through, and it's ding, 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 ding. It gets annoying to hear that when you're in the middle of a break. Here's a Cronenworth. Yu Darvish. There's a nice Sam Huff rookie refractor. Texas. There you go, Neary. Chapman, Luis, Yohan Moncada, Cuba. Nice Varsho there for the D-backs. And Ruiz. Again, all rookies will be sleeved up, guys. Let's get that immaculate break filled up. Another new release. It is here already, too, so we can break that. And please fill out the poll so I know if I buy more of this that we can fill up more breaks next week. Because it won't be here till next week. But let me know, guys. There's Alfaro, Miami. McKenzie, Garcia refractor rookie. There's a Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. Baltimore. And a future stars, Gavin Lux. There you go, Dodgers. Hoke. And a nice Lewis Robert there. Castro, Trout, DeYoung, and there's a nice Garrett Cole. Can I add more products to it? Finest or Bowman's Best? Bowman's Best would be tough because you'd be mixing last year's with new product Topps Chrome, and that's going to be tough. Finest, I don't know, man. There hasn't been much love for Topps Finest, so that'd be a hard fill, I think, too. Stuff doesn't sell like it used to, Dom. It's really weird. Here's Tavares. It's like once it's 3 or a week out after release, nobody wants it anymore. It doesn't matter what it is, unless it's draft. That's about the only thing. It's kind of frustrating. Here's Kershaw. Makes it hard to buy product because nobody wants it anymore. And then what's going to happen with Topps in 2025? Do you guys see that? No more licensed top product. Machado. Did my screen freeze up? I better stop. We're going to have one of these days. Come on. You guys got me anymore? Or we froze? I think we have totally froze. We're still good? Okay, maybe it's just my end where it's froze. My live stream is good. My Facebook live stream is totally frozen. Alright, you guys say I'm good. Alright, I'm going to keep going. Let me know if something happens, guys. Let me know if something happens. Alright, here we go. There's Garrett. There's nice Zach Gallen, Future Stars. Now that I switched to another screen, it's working. I don't know. Freaking technology, man. Madrigal, Chapman, and what do we have here? Nice Jared Walsh. That's going to the Angels. Jared Walsh, $1.99. That goes to Saul. There you go, Saul. And Arenado, Jazz, Jose, and Gimenez. So again, guys, we'll get a lot of this stuff sleeved up while I'm sorting. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Fanatics taking over. You watch. They're going to buy out Topps and Panini at some point. It's going to be very interesting come that time what's going to happen. Topps not being the licensed product anymore for baseball. We'll see if they continue with soccer and stuff like that. But, man, who knows, though? If Fanatics takes over and they buy out Topps and Panini, it might just be one of those things where everything is licensed for baseball and there isn't any unlicensed stuff unless it's like Leaf. So it could be a good thing. We'll just see, how much product and what kind of products they end up putting out. It will be very interesting when it gets to that point. But that's a few years out, so we'll see what happens up until then. Bring back Upper Deck. Yeah, they're the exclusive license for hockey, Upper Deck. That's what they got going on. That's what they got going on. I don't know. we'll see what Fanatics will do with designs, and you know what's gonna happen to like draft. That's the hot thing. What are they gonna continue Bowman draft, but under a different name, or are they just gonna buy Topps out and continue being Bowman draft? That's gonna be the interesting part. Yeah, John, it could go a couple different ways, man. It could be a really good thing if they were to buy out the companies and everything becomes licensed. It could be a bad thing because prices could skyrocket because they took over. They could absolutely flood the market because they're just about the money. I mean, who knows? The thing is going to be, you know, once them cards do come out, what kind of value are people going to pay for the cards, for the single cards, you know, and that's going to really reflect what the market does. Well, we just got to hope, guys. We just got to pray and hope they don't screw it up. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. So, for the next few years, let's enjoy Topps, guys. I guess let's enjoy Panini, too, because who knows what will happen with them. Who knows? All right. Oh, Dan took that wrapper right back up. Again, there is immaculate new release baseball posted up, too, guys. And the poll, if you want me to get more of this, more jumbo boxes, let me know in the poll, please. Here we go, guys. Hobby box number 2. Bryant Tanaka. And here's Laureano for the A's. Oakland A's goes to Paul. There you go, Paul. And here's Kirk. Woodruff, Cruz. I agree. Prices need to start coming down. They were starting to a little bit. But, excuse me. There's Gimenez, Pearson, but it's still pricey. Everything is still really pricey, even for baseball. Still too high, if you ask me. Darvish. There's Luis Garcia Refractor. DJ Luis. There's a nice Hoskins Prismic Power. That's pretty cool. Phillies. Gio. Yaz, and what do we have here? We got a Blake Snell for the Tampa Bay Rays. Blake Snell. Mackenzie Ruiz. Castellanos. Ryan Mountcastle. And we got a Nick Nelson going to the Yankees. There you go, John. Got yourself a Nick Nelson Yankee auto. Yankees on the board. Should be one more auto in here. There's a nice Ohtani for the Angels. What do you guys think? Is he going to take the MVP this year? If he don't get hurt, is Ohtani going to take it? There's Paradis Refractor. I think he's going to. Oh, I totally agree with you, John. Like I said, it's too expensive, man. It's too expensive. There's a nice Tatis. Jimenez. Dylan Carlson. You know, the reason it's so expensive is because people are paying it. People are paying it. If people weren't buying it like that, they'd be forced to drop their prices. But we all pay for it, so they jack up the price. Posey. Oh, and we got a nice Daz Cameron blue auto. The Tigers. There you go, Aaron Atkins. Daz Cameron blue auto. That's going to be out of 150. There you go, Tigers. I don't know if I got allergies. I got a little itchy in the throat today. Let me get a sip of water. All right, let's keep going here. Sanchez, Morton, and what do we have here? We got us a Shogo, $1.99 for the Cincinnati Reds. It's not just blowout there, John. All them online guys are the same price. It's not just blowout. There's Yelich. I mean, even distributor prices are way more expensive. Way more expensive. And a Bobby Dahlbeck. There we go. Red Sox. I mean, all this baseball product is about double the price of what it was last year and the year before. There's Jazz. Juan Gonzalez for Texas. That's cool. Ozuna. I'm highly debating on canceling my pre-order for Triple Threads. Garcia. I'm really considering canceling it. That stuff is way pricey this year. There's a Joey Bart Refractor. The last time I looked, which was a couple weeks ago, a master case of Triple Threads was at like $7,400 or something. So, I don't know if I'm going to keep mine or get rid of it. There's Luzardo, Escobar. I may just cancel that pre-order. I don't know yet. That's going to be a tough fill. We'd have to do one box at a time, I think. And Alec Bohm for the Phillies. There's our first Bohm. And finishing up our box here, Ryan Weathers, Upton, Mike Perez. Yeah, it is absurdly expensive. And I got a master case, which is 19 boxes on order, so I think I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit closer to the time, but I may be putting the X into that case. I don't know. That's a lot of money to drop. And if I got to do one box at a time, I mean, that's going to take some time. So, maybe no Triple Threads this year, guys. I don't know yet. I don't know. I love breaking that stuff, but wow. Expensive. So, here we go. Jumbo. 5 autos. 5 autos. This is what I have in the poll. Do you want me to get another case of Jumbo? Right here. Jumbo. You let me know. I wish they'd package these like the Super Jumbos. Give me some fat packs. Yeah, I may cancel that, guys, and just do like get 2 boxes or something. 1 box, I don't know. I'm just hoping maybe the price will plummet before then, and then make it more manageable. Excuse me. Annoying when you have a little itch in the throat and you gotta talk. Alright, first jumbo. Let's see, guys. 5 autos here. Let's get some good ones. Again, you will get 1 red raffle ticket if you bought a team outright, and that goes for every break in the break group here in the month of August. Beginning of next month, we'll be giving away some break credits and sealed wax. Here we go, guys. Tatis, Garcia, Trout, Mike, and here's a nice Lewis Robert. And we got us a purple Juan Soto. That's going to be out of $2.99. There you go, Dom. Juan Soto. We need to get that Kelenic auto. This is first auto. First licensed auto. We need a Kelenic auto. One of the reasons the Mariners are so pricey. Yeah, Robert, it's absurdly priced, man. It's nuts. Medina, Devers, Woodruff. There's another nice Vlad. We'll get that sleeved up for you guys. And we got Conforto for the Mets. Conforto. Freddie Freeman. There's JD Martinez. Abrams, Trevor Bauer. What do we have here? Nice Jose Ramirez. And another nice Alec Boehm rookie. And we'll follow that up with another Alec Boehm rookie. McClanahan, Walsh, Evan White, Robert, Lazardo, and ooh, there's a nice Mike Trout for the Angels. There you go, Saul. And our first auto out of here, Matt Foster going to the White Sox, Brian Johnson. Brian Johnson, rookie auto, Matt Foster. Ozuna, Howard, Ruiz, Mike Yaz, David Peterson. There's a nice Glaber, Venezuela, and Jake Cronenworth. Those cards are cool there. Shows their country on them. Dylan Carlson, Pearson, and a Christian Pache. There we go. There's our first Pache. Joey Bart, Jorge Posada, Puerto Rico, and Alec Bregman for the Astros. Reggie, Joey Bart, Lumen Diaz, Tucker, Cabrian Hayes. There's our first Cabrian Hayes. Go Pittsburgh. So the rookies are coming out finally here into the jumbo box. There's another Mountcastle, McKenzie, Medea, and a nice Jesus Sanchez for Miami. There's a nice rookie auto. Refractor on top. Here we go, Fox Valley. Jesus Sanchez, $4.99. We'll take it. We will take it. All right, let me get this in here. Bobby Dahlbeck. Sanchez. There's a Tariq Skubal. Jose Yelich. Ooh, look at this sparkle. Jeff McNeil for the Mets. Brett. There you go. $3.50. $3.50. Magenta sparkle. New York Mets. Marquez Refractor rookie. And what's next? What's next? Buxton. Miggy. Molina. And here's a Whit Merrifield. And how about, oh, not quite, Taylor Widener. There you go, D-backs. There you go, Jordan. We thought it was going to be a Varsho. We at least got your team. We're on the right track here. Taylor. Nice looking auto, though. Pretty slick. Muncy. Benintendi. Eloy Jimenez. Nice. Shohei Ohtani. And going to the Phillies. Marshawn. Who got the Phillies? Jeremy McDonald. There you go, Jeremy. Not the right guy, but hey, we got the right team at least. You're at least getting one auto. Can't complain about that. Meadows. Joey Gallo. There's Acuna. First Acuna card. Zach Gallen. And there's Shin for Texas. And our first Joe Adell rookie. Go Angels. Kirk. There's an Alec Bohm. Joe Adell. Gimenez. Ooh, what do we have here? We got us a gold. Guzman going to Miami. That's nice right there. That is nice right there. 1 of 50. Miami. Miami. We'll put him up in that top dog spot for the time being. All right, guys. We got one more box to go. Yes, we will do a recap. Let me slide these out of the way so I don't knock them all over. All right. One more sip of water. They're all them new rookies, man. That's who they are. This is what you get with Topps Chrome usually. A ton of rookies. A lot of the new rookies that people aren't super familiar with yet. These are all them dudes that start popping up in Series 2 and update. You watch. You watch, you watch. All right, here we go. Last box of the break. last box of the break. The cards look nice this year, though. The names are a tad bit hard to read on some of them, but they look pretty nice. So far, the quality control seems to be decent, which is a step in the right direction with how cards have been this year, especially with Topps. Topps has been way worse than Panini with quality, I think. All right. Here we go, guys. Last box of the break. We'll do a quick little recap. Please fill out that poll so I know whether or not to get some more of this. It will be jumbo if we do it. Here we go. Willie. Kane. Rizzo. Trout. There's a nice Acuna. These are cool looking cards right here. Another Alec Bohm. Third one of those. Looks like those are going to be loaded in here. Apostle. And a nice Devers. Go Boston. And what do we have here? Tyler Miller going to the Cubbies. Cubbies. Michael. Mr. Senior. Cubs. Corey Seager. And here's a Varsho. Cronenworth. Luis. There's a Vlad. Cronenworth again. Patino. The Padres. That's going to be $199. San Diego Padres. Jake Cronenworth. Jimenez. Madrigal. Grandal. Tavares. Chapman. There's a nice Juan Soto. Dominican Republic. And a nice Sanchez from Miami. Casey Mize. There's our first Mize rookie. Refractor. We had another gold coming. Carlson. Another Bohm. Lots of Bohm. Joe Adell. Jacob deGrom. Juan Soto. Get those in there. A couple more sleeves. And what do we got here? Our next auto up. It's another gold. Franklin Colomb going to the Mets. Here we go, Brett. Franklin to the Mets. That's going to be 11 of 50. 11 of 50. New York Mets. Garcia. Bobby Dahlbeck. Sanchez. Skubal. Christian Pache. Joey Bart. Trent Grisham. Nolan Arenado. And Eloy Jimenez Refractor. Get a few of these in the sleeves real quick. And then we're about halfway through this box. You don't like his auto? Is that what's up, Brett? Otani. And here's our next auto. Violet going to the Astros. So we doubled up with this guy. Had him in the hobby box and now in a jumbo. So there you go, Astros. Doubling up. McClanahan. Contreras, Mondesi, Molina, Juan Gonzalez, and what do we have here? Gurriel Jr. Gurriel Jr. Bubik. Ian Anderson. Bauer. Ooh. Sean Murphy. Andres Gimenez and a nice Yoan Moncada. Moncada, $3.99. There you go, White Sox. Brian Johnson. And what do we have? Brian Hayes. Howard. Evan White, Robert Odor, and a Patino. Here we go. Padres. Is that you, Matt? It is you, Matt. There you go. Patino for the San Diego Padres. Odor. Brian Hayes. And our last little stack here, guys. Tatis, Garcia, Diaz, McKenzie, Pearson, and a Mike Trout, Christian Yelich, Kuchel, Hoke, Ryan Mountcastle, Nico Horner, Future Stars, Woodruff, and our last auto, Kyle Cody, going to the Texas Rangers. Neary. There you go, Neary. That is out of $4.99. $4.99. Guys, again, please fill out that poll. Let me know if you want to break more of this, guys. I will get it ordered up today. We'll have it for next week. Let me know. Let me know. White Trout. All right, let's do a quick little recap, guys. Thank you for another fill. Greatly appreciated. Here we go. Moncada. $3.99. Patino. $1.99. Jeff McNeil. $3.50. Juan Soto. $2.99. There's Shogo. $1.99. Jared Walsh. $1.99. And Quinn. $3.99. And we got Kyle Cody. $4.99. Patino. Bielek. And here's another Bielek. Cologne Gold out of 50. Miller. Marchand. Widener. Matt Foster. And we got Jorge Guzman. Gold out of 50. Mathias for the Brew Crew, $1.99. Nick Nelson. Jesus Sanchez, Refractor, $4.99. And a nice Daz Cameron for the Tigers, $1.50. There you go, guys. Thank you again. I appreciate all of you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week and your weekend. Immaculate's up. We'll get more of this, I think, ordered up, guys. And we'll keep rocking it out. I'll talk to you later. Have a great afternoon. Peace.